Hello, we are going to talk about our smart home project. This project is based on an Arduino board on a Raspberry Pi to control the house light with a dedicated website. The principle is to regulate the light intensity by using a light sensor. The user can send a set point for the light intensity value, but can also choose the user mode, auto or manual. When the auto mode is selected, the Arduino will regulate the light intensity to reach the set point, but the light can be switched on only if somebody is in the room. Indeed, a detection sensor is installed into the room.
You can see on this video a small functional prototype to illustrate the principle of our project. When the sun is rising, there is enough luminosity outside, so the lights inside the home automatically decrease in intensity. And when the sun is going down, the lights inside the home automatically increase in intensity. Of course, if the user wants to regulate the light himself, he can do it by using the manual mode.
The interface of the dedicated website is based on a PHP code. On the home page, the user is invited to enter the password to gain access to the menu page. On this page, the user can choose between the control of the light, the history of the luminosity value, and the history of the set point value. If we choose the first option, the next page allows the user to define a set point, but also the mode auto or manual. Moreover, there is the current value of the luminosity given by the light sensor. After defining the parameters, the user can send them to the monitoring device. The second choice of the menu drives the user to the database of luminosity history. He can check previous value measured by the sensor. Finally, the user can check the history of the set point value.
You can see here the material needed to the good running of our project. Two sensors, the luminosity sensor and the presence detection sensor. The second one is an ultrasonic sensor used for our prototype. In a real case, a volumetric sensor is needed to detect the presence of somebody or not. Look at these schematics. It represents the working of our project and how we implemented the different devices needed. So, the users enter the parameters. They are stored in the SQL database. A Python script is used to extract the settings from the database, translate, and set them to the Arduino board. This communication between the Raspberry Pi and the Arduino board is established by using a USB serial port communication. In the other way, the Arduino receives the states of the sensors and uses them to regulate the light intensity. This operation is done by comparing these states with the settings sent by the user. These states are also sent to the Raspberry database to be displayed on the website.
This list presents the price of the different equipment. The total price is 95 euros, but the real project with the good volumetric sensor will cost around 300 euros.
If we obtain a significant amount of money, we should develop some upgrades like a new PID regulation, improve the website security, and implement the new volumetric sensor. Thank you for watching this video, the Smart Home team.